But this one have 6-pack or 8-pack?
Oh, 2-pack, I think.
Oh, 2-pack.
Yeah, he's good. He's good. All right, folks. Today we got a 2005 BMW X3 with over 150,000 miles. This thing is a workhorse. It's a beauty of a car. But today, one thing that did kind of go break down on us is one of the windows. Actuator's not working and it just won't go down, especially in the hot heat. We'd like to get that nice breeze. So today we're gonna fix that problem. So, excuse me, but I meant to say regulators, like Warren G, not actuators.
The regulator.
Regulators. All right,
And sometimes it will not roll up all the way up. It'll get stuck and then it'll come back down.
Oh, okay, go for it.
There's a weird scenario in here, so let's see if we can catch it.
Oh yeah, I got that. I gotta do it again. I can hear it.
Now it doesn't want to go up.
Oh yeah, check that out. So
we'll leave it here for now.
Yeah.
Because we need to get this track in a certain spot for us to take this apart anyways.
Right.
Disassembling.
Disassemble. Johnny 5.
Johnny, see that movie?
Disassemble. Where are you going?
Disassemble Johnny 5.
How do you feel, Johnny? I feel alive.
I feel alive.
So let's take off this cover first. I don't know if you could see this, but they're Torx. I'm gonna have to get a larger one for that one, but I like the big ones. There it is. Hear that? So this bad boy, when you align it back together, it goes in this hole.
Oh, okay.
This comes off from this latch. This is actually the door handle.
Yeah.
From this side. So what you do is you unclip it here and you go backwards.
Oh,
it comes
there
out.
you go.
And this is another sensor that I'm not gonna take off because it looks like it's an airbag. This is a switch for what we're gonna be testing. So just wanna take these out. That way we can move this out of the way. So now we got the panel off. So now we have a huge view of this. And you could put this back on for testing. You see this nasty gooey stuff?
Yeah.
That stuff is to prevent moisture from getting inside this panel. So it's like this weird gooey, like,
oh yeah, nice. It's
tar.
like Venom.
Yeah. It's a what do they call that?
A symbiote.
Symbiote. It's a symbiote, mate. So we'll get this space here. And I don't know if you could see, but there's 2 rails.
Yeah.
And this is the actual motor. So right now you could see in here, actually, probably see it in here that it's not actually doing its thing. So we're gonna have to unbolt this motor from this, and the regulator comes out all together with these. There it is.
There
See
it
that?
is.
Cut into this a little bit because it was like not supposed to be doing what it's doing. So these teeth grab onto these nylon teeth and turn everything, but now this is loose. It has too much slack. So it's actually cutting into this motor. So if we waited longer, this motor would have been destroyed.
Yeah.
And usually it's the regulator because it's just a wire. So this wire right here just failed. So lucky for us, we got this in place, and then we're gonna take this regulator off the window. A box in a box, dude. Woo!
Ooh, look at that.
This bad boy. See this mechanism? How it's actually like holding it from going in?
Oh yeah.
That's what this one's not doing. This is actually seated. The other one was like broken out.
Oh.
I thought they were all cheesy in their own way, and that Mortal Kombat 1 was terrible, but you have to love it because you're a fan, right?
Mortal Kombat!
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set this in place, and so when you hook it in,
Yeah.
this will be exposed, and then we can make adjustments because these holes are not like very tight.
Right.
So you can make minor adjustments as you
Okay. Yeah,
go
you're
up
trying
and
to
down
fit
and
it
stuff.
in.
Yeah. Nobody's gonna innovate this. Nobody's gonna change this method because it's easy. It's easy to maintain in a way or work on, and it's easy for technicians to do it. As taut as I can, mate. And then we're gonna get in there with the glass.
You sound like you're from Brisbane and not Sydney.
You from New Zealand?
Yee.
Are you Kiwi?
Yee.
This glass. You gotta be really careful with these glass,
Oh, for sure.
because
I mean, it's 21 years old.
maneuver this bad boy in. I get it in a good angle. You gotta get it in these tracks. So over here. So can you see how it's here now?
It looks, yeah.
And there's a hole right there. There's also a hole on this side. Those will get stuck. Basically the retainers for those holes that are for this specific window.
Awesome. If your window gets broken, they got to go through this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks, man.
here. This goes in that whole section. Let me figure this out first, then get it. No, I'm not just
No, we're showing it.
No, we're showing you're an idiot. He's an idiot. And then get this on there. And there we go.
Oh, look at this little trick.
Are you seeing this?
This little hack.
Are you seeing this?
No.
Oh.
But I'm assuming it's helping to grip.
Yeah, it gets tighter.
It gets tight like what?
You already know, buddy.
Tight like a tiger.
Number one. Ichiban, number one.
Number one.
Number one. PT610, number one.
PT6, B3.
B3, B3.
All right.
All right.
Let's go menu. Multiple restraint system.
Yes, it's good, no?
Arase DTC.
Go for it.
Arase was successful. That's Vidania.
There you go. That's Badanya.
So we used the 5610 to reset that SRS code that we triggered. And we needed to basically duplicate or double check that the regulator was the fault, the main fault, not the motor. So the motor was actually working, it's just not catching with the wire inside.
Oh, yeah.
That's why this wire is broken.
Yeah, all of this stuff.
So this is the wire right here.
Yeah.
And that's just the way the cookie crumbles.
Yes, that's as they say.
Can I drop this mic? No,
No, not that mic. Oh, perfect.
Oh my God.
Dude. That's right, Aerosmith.
Dream on.
Hold on, dude. It's still gonna sound the same because I had the mic. All right, once. Dream on. Nice. All right, done and done. On to the next one. Did you like that content? Or did you hate that content? It doesn't matter. Consider liking, following, and subscribing, and tune in for the next one.